Hi YouTube, hi world. Just a quick video. I'm going to title this video "Surviving God's Country." Yeah, just got back from trip to Pagosa Springs in Durango, and I was coming back. Major snowstorm came in, blizzard-like conditions. So I'm on 84, which comes over the pass towards Santa Fe, Espanola, and it was okay coming out of Pagosa Springs, and I got up in the pass, and it just went from okay to really bad really quick, and I got caught on a hill, lost traction, and started sliding. So I had to back it down to the left shoulder because there was nothing but guardrail on the right, and getting it off onto the left shoulder. I got the front of the truck into the ditch a little bit and got stuck. So this is like, this is a trucker's worst nightmare, right? And to top it off, there's no cell phone service. So no cell phone service, winter storm, in a pass. I was freaking out just a little bit. And, so I'm sitting there, and wow, a plow comes by and stops, asks me if I'm okay, and I'm like, well, I'm stuck, and um, not sure what to do at this point. I have no cell phone service, so I can't call dispatch. So he called the Mountie, and they called a tow truck. About 2 3 hours later, tow truck came and towed me out. By then, the roads had been plowed and sand had been dropped on the road, but I'm out of hours. So I had to park a couple miles up the road after getting out. I stop at a historic marker, pull off to the side of the road, and do my 10 hours. So I get up in the morning, and there is a foot of snow. Uh, and I'm like, oh shit, am I gonna get out? So I try and get the truck going, and bam, man, the truck is not going. It's stuck again, and I'm thinking, oh god, well, what am I gonna do? So I get the chains, and and I start chaining up, and and putting chains on in a foot of snow is just brutal. So I got I got chains on the truck, and got back up on the road. And the road was slushy, sandy, but there was traction. So I got going, and through that part of the pass, I was able to do about 35 to 40 miles an hour, getting out of there. And then the roads got better, of course, as I went through. Uh, Lucky for me, I had a little bit of snackage and a little bit of water. But no cell phone service. you know, in a snowstorm on a mountain. Um, that's New Mexico and Colorado, and those are the conditions that we drive in here. Um, and it's no joke, man. No joke at all, for sure. But anyway, yeah, that was the gist of that, and so I just I'm okay, and my wife was, of course, she was flipping out. She hadn't heard from me when she should have heard from me, but I had no cell phone service, so um, but I got a hold of her as soon as I had cell phone service, and she was very relieved. Um, so yeah, I did get a picture while I was out there of just how beautiful some of that country is, and I will put it up in the video. All right, guys. Thank you, and talk to you later. Yep, I survived winter storm.